Unit 8. Growing Things. Listening 8. Read and listen.
A vegetable garden. Have you got a garden? Do you help your parents or grandparents in the garden? So why not grow your own vegetables? We should all eat lots of vegetables to be healthy, and growing vegetables is a lot of fun. You should always plant vegetables in a sunny place and in good soil. You shouldn't plant vegetables outside when the weather is cold, because they won't grow. What is your favourite vegetable? What vegetables does your family like to eat? Choose the vegetables you want to grow. Tomatoes, onions, corn and beans are easy to grow, and they all taste really great. For tomatoes, you can plant seeds or small plants. For onions, you can plant bulbs. Plant lots of different ones. Then you can see which you and your family like best. Some of them will grow better than others in your garden. You should draw a picture of your vegetable garden so you can remember where you planted your different vegetables. Then you will know what they are when they start to grow. You should rake and water the soil and dig some small holes. Then plant your seeds or vegetable plants in the holes. You should water your vegetable plants every day. The best time to water them is in the morning. Ask a friend or someone in your family to water them when you can't do it. You don't need a big garden to grow vegetables. You could also grow them in big pots. And when your vegetables are ready, you can pick them, wash them, cook them, and eat them. So why not start your vegetable garden today?